This video will quickly show you the Music Generator, a demo application from Visionnaire that lets you create music tracks for different genres and moods. You can access it on the Visionnaire website in the AI Cases section. See how easy it is to use. This larger field is for the prompt and is super important. Here you describe what your song should be like. See the example. A main melody that sounds victorious and grand, like in movies. The song builds an emotion until a powerful and inspiring ending. Note that the focus here is on the melody, since there are no vocals in the songs created by our generator. In the field just below, you define the genre of the song. There are several possibilities: pop, rock, jazz, classic, electronic dance, hip-hop, country, and ambient. We will use classic for this test. There's also this field here, which serves to define the mood of the song. Happy, sad, energetic, calm, dark, or romantic. Let's see how energetic looks. Finally, you can set the song duration up to 60 seconds. Ready? Now just click on Create Music. Please note that it may take a few minutes for the song to be ready. If you want, you can wait on this screen until it appears on the right side when it is ready. You can listen to the result and download it. You can also find your generations later in the history, accessible through the menu on the left. The music generator can also be used in dark mode. Just click on this button to choose your viewing preference and check out something new in our AI demo apps. It's the user account area. In this space, you can choose a photo and a display name, change your password, and contact us. The user area can be accessed in the bottom left corner of the screen of any of our demo apps. The music generator is another example of how Visionnaire masters artificial intelligence technologies. In this case, we use Replicate, which is an aggregator of several AI models. Supabase was also used as a database. Contact us to discuss the best solutions that use AI to modernize your business.